Welcome back to our series on POSH landmark case studies, where we explore the landmark judgments that have significantly shaped the framework of workplace harassment laws in India. Today's video dives into a case that redefined the concept of employer liability in sexual harassment cases. The Apparel Export Promotion Council versus A.K. Chopra case. This important and significant case not only reinforced the responsibility of employers but also set a precedent for proactive measures in ensuring a safe work environment. Stay tuned as we discuss in detail this influential judgment and its far-reaching implications. In the workplace, the responsibility for preventive harassment does not stop at individuals. It extends to the organization as a whole. The Apparel Export Promotion Council versus A.K. Chopra case is a landmark decision that addressed this very important issue. Employers' liability for the actions of their employees in cases of sexual harassments. This case brought a light the accountability that organization must bear and the preventive measures that are required to implement to create a safe and inclusive work environment. The Apparel Export Promotion Council versus A.K. Chopra case revolves a complaint against A.K. Chopra, an employee of the Apparel Export Promotion Council, who was accused of sexually harassing a junior female colleague. The case escalated to the Supreme Court of India, raising a crucial question. Can an employer be held liable for the acts of its employee when it comes to sexual harassment? This case highlighted the need for a legal framework that mandates employer accountability in such matters. What is the summary of the judgment? The Supreme Court's ruling in this case was a significant step in holding employers accountable for workplace harassment. The court clearly established that employers could not claim ignorance or lack of awareness to escape liability for sexual harassment committed by their employees. Key aspects of the ruling included were: first one, employers' liability. The court affirmed that employers are liable for the actions of their employees and cannot avoid responsibility by merely stating that they were unaware of the sexual harassment incident. Proactive measures. The ruling emphasized the necessity for employers to take proactive steps to prevent harassment, which includes implementing preventive measures, setting up robust redressal mechanisms, and fostering a culture of safety and respect. When we look at the implications for employers' liability, this case was a turning point in emphasizing that employers have a duty to prevent sexual harassment in the workplace. It underscored that organizations must not only react to the incidents but also be proactive in preventing them. The ruling stressed the importance of having effective procedures in place and being accountable for creating a safe work environment for all employees. The message was clear. Ignorance is not an excuse. Employers must foster an environment where employees feel safe, respected, and heard. What are the major key takeaways we have from this case? The Apparel Export Promotion Council versus AK Chopra case teaches us that creating safe workplace is a collective responsibility that falls heavily on the shoulders of employers. It's a reminder that preventive measures, awareness, and accountability are crucial components in tracking sexual harassment. As a trainer and HR professionals, we must ensure that organizations understand their responsibilities and take every necessary step to protect their employees. We encourage all trainers, leaders, HR leaders, and organizational heads to actively reinforce the importance of employer liability in preventing sexual harassment. At Protouch, we offer specialized training modules on POSH that focus on building awareness and preparing organizations to meet legal and ethical standards. If you want to learn more about our programs or need support in conducting POSH workshops, then please get in touch with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our series for more insightful discussions on landmark POSH cases. Stay tuned for our next video where we will continue to explore the legal landscape that safeguards workplace dignity and equality.